अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज हम ICS पार्ट 1 के कंप्यूटर साइंस के 100 मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs सॉल्व करेंगे। ये ऐसे MCQs हैं जो बार बार बोर्ड्स के पेपर्स में आते हैं। आप इन तमाम MCQs को बड़ी अच्छी तरह याद कर लें। उम्मीद है कि इसी में से आपको MCQs आएंगे। अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकॉन को भी दबा दें ताकि आपको नई वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस फौरी तौर पर मिल सकें। बहुत शुक्रिया। MCQ नंबर 1। द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट दैट एग्जीक्यूट्स कंप्यूटर इंस्ट्रक्शंस इज कॉल्ड मॉनिटर, हार्ड डिस्क, CPU, कीबोर्ड। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज C, CPU। MCQ 2। The process of transferring a file from remote computer to local computer on network is called downloading, browsing, uploading, pasting. Correct option is A, downloading. MCQ 3. Types of application software. 5, 4, 3, 2. Correct option is D, 2. Total number of layers in OSI model is 6, 9, 7, 8. Correct option C, 7. People on LAN can share except monitor, printer, modem, CD-ROM. Correct option is A, monitor. यानी मॉनिटर के अलावा प्रिंटर, मॉडम और CD-ROM को शेयर किया जा सकता है लैन पर। MCQ 6. More than one computers connected to a hub is ring network, bus network, star network, mesh network. Correct option is C, star network. Frequency is measured in seconds, BPS, volt, hertz. Correct option is D. Frequency is measured in hertz. The height of wave within the given period of time is called frequency, amplitude, signal, light. Correct option is B, amplitude. A signal is the representation of light wave, heat wave, sun wave, full wave. Correct option is A, light wave. MCQ 10. Many products are designed by using CAD, robot, CAM, ATM. Correct option is A, CAD or CAD. Question 11. CBT stands for Computer-Based Trade, Computer-Based Training, Certificate-Based Training, Computer Basic Training. Correct option is B. CBT stands for Computer-Based Training. Question 12. Process of automating office tasks using computer is office support, office automation, data management, reprographics. Correct option is B, office automation. Process of automating office tasks using computer is office automation. The hardware components that permanently hold data and program is called primary storage, secondary storage, temporary storage, CPU. Correct option is B, secondary storage. The order of stack is FIFO, LIFO, GIGO, FIGO. Correct option is B. The order of stack is LIFO. Question 15. Which of the following memory needs to be refreshed periodically? DRAM, SRAM, FRAM, ROM. Correct option is A. DRAM. Question 16. A program that interferes normal working of a computer is called bacteria, antivirus, virus, freeware. Correct option is C. Virus. Question 17. Computer virus is a disease, software, hardware, bacteria. Correct option B. Computer virus is a software. Checking a computer program for errors is called bugging, debugging, correcting, running. Correct option B. Checking a computer program for errors is called debugging. Windows operating system was developed by Sun System, Microsoft, Hewlett, Java. Correct option B. Windows operating system was developed by Microsoft. Question 20. In Microsoft Windows, files are recognized through their name, extension, size, type. Correct option B. In Microsoft Windows, files are recognized through their extension. Question 21. Add new hardware option exists in main menu, status bar, task bar, control panel. Correct option D. Add new hardware option exists in control panel. Shortcut key for paste is Ctrl plus S, Ctrl plus V, Ctrl plus A, Ctrl plus P. Correct option is B. Shortcut key for paste is Ctrl plus V. Question 23. Shortcut key to save a file in MS Word is Ctrl plus S, Alt plus S, Ctrl plus F, Alt plus F. Correct option is A. Shortcut key to save a file in MS Word is Ctrl S. Question 24. When MS Word is opened, the name of default document or file is Document 1, File 1, World 1, MS Word 2. Correct option A. The name of default document or file in MS Word is Document 1. Question 25. A formula in MS Excel always begins with this sign, equal sign, double equal sign, this sign. Correct option is B. A formula in MS Excel always begins with equal sign. Question 26. A cell at second column and 15th row has a cell address 15A, 15B, B15, A15. Correct option C. A cell at second column and 15th row has a cell address B. 15. Question 27. Absolute reference is created by adding number sign, percentage sign, $sign, dollar sign. Correct option is D. Absolute reference is created by adding dollar sign. Question 28. Which program is used to connect to a remote computer to the internet? World Wide Web, www, email, FTP, Telnet. Correct option is D. Telnet. Telnet is used to connect to a remote computer to the internet. Question 29. In 32-bit IP addressing scheme, the value of address ranging from 0 to 31, 0 to 127, 0 to 255, unlimited. Correct option is C. 0 to 255. Question 30. Which portion of URL is domain name? Microsoft.com, World Wide Web, www, http:// Correct option is A. Microsoft.com is the domain name. Question 31. The smallest unit of memory is byte, bit, character, word. Correct option B. The smallest unit of memory is bit. Question 32. Testing of a program component is called pilot testing, isolation testing, system testing, unit testing. Correct option D. Testing of a program component is called unit testing. Question 33. Testing all program components together in SDLC is called group testing, volume testing, system testing, composite testing. Correct option is C. Testing all program components together in SDLC is called system testing. Question 34. A LAN is a combination of network adapter cards, LAN cables, LAN application software, all. Correct option is D. A LAN is a combination of all these. All. Question 35. What layer of OSI model does data compression? Network, presentation, data link, physical. Correct option is B. Presentation. Question 36. Cabling on a linear bus topology can be extended using which of the following? Terminator, barrel connector, network adapter card, medium. Correct option is B. Barrel connector. Question 37. Microwave transmission, coaxial cables, and fiber optics are examples of modems, communication media, gateways, ring network. Correct option is B. Microwave transmission, coaxial cables, and fiber optics are examples of communication media. Question 38. Data communication requires sender, receiver, transmission medium, all. Correct option is A. Data communication requires sender. Question 39. The is the physical path over which a message travels. Protocol, medium, single, all. Correct option is B. The medium is the physical path over which a message travels. Question 40. The benefit of CAD or CAD may be summed up as accuracy, repeatability, speed and flexibility, all of the above. Correct option D. The benefit of CAD may be summed up as all of these three, all of the above. Question 41. Computer at home can be used for keeping records, making budgets, watching movies, all of the above. Correct option D. Computer at home can be used for all of these three things. All of the above is our option. Question 42. Data and program not being used by computer are stored in secondary storage, cache, primary storage, printer. Correct option is A. Data and program not being used by computer are stored in secondary storage. A set of instructions that run the computer is hardware, software, document, CPU. Correct option is B. A set of instructions that run the computer is software. Question 44. The program that contains instruction to operate a device is called device driver, device operator, device linking, device system. Correct option is A. The program that contains instruction to operate a device is called device driver. MCQ 45. A virus program is usually hidden in the operating system only, an application program only, the disk drive, the operating system or application program. Correct option D. A virus program is usually hidden in the operating system or application programs. Question 46. Most computer crimes are committed by hackers, international spies, highly trained computer consultants, company insiders who have no extraordinary technical ingenuity. Correct option C. Most computer crimes are committed by highly trained computer consultants. Question 47. Types of software that can be freely distributed without violating copyright laws are called shareware, public domain, copy protected, A and B. Correct option D. Types of software that can be freely distributed without violating copyright laws are called both A and B, mean shareware and public domain. D is our option, both A and B. Question 48. An operating system is a system utility, application software, system software, software package. Correct option is C. An operating system is a system software. MCQ 49. Control plus Alt plus Delete is an invalid key combination recognized by Windows only, used to close the active window. Both B and C. Correct option is D. Control plus Alt plus Delete is recognized by Windows only and used to close the active window. Our option is both B and C. Question 50. As compared to command line operating system, a GUI operating system is more efficient, easier to use, more reliable, all of the above. Our answer is D. As compared to command line operating system, a GUI operating system is more efficient and easier to use and more reliable. All of these three qualities are present in a GUI operating system. So D is our option, all of the above. Question 51. Which of the following is a word processor? Adobe Acrobat, Photo Express, MS Excel, MS Word. Correct option D. MS Word is a word processor. MCQ 52. Which of the following keyboard shortcuts is used to change the case? केस का चेंज करना मतलब होता है कि स्मॉल लेटर से कैपिटल लेटर्स या कैपिटल लेटर से स्मॉल लेटर्स करना. कौन सी शॉर्टकट्स इस्तेमाल होती हैं? कंट्रोल प्लस F3, शिफ्ट प्लस F3, होल्ड प्लस F3, कंट्रोल प्लस शिफ्ट प्लस F3. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज B. Shift plus F3 is used to change the case. Question 53. Which function is used for checking spelling and grammar in MS Word? F1, F2, F4, F7. Correct option is D. F7. F7 key is used to check spelling and grammar in MS Word. Question 54. Which of the following is a spreadsheet? MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, both A and B. Correct option is B. MS Excel is a spreadsheet. Question 55. The actual working area in Microsoft Excel is workbook, worksheet, spreadsheet, note sheet. Correct option B. The actual working area in Microsoft Excel is worksheet. Question 56. Formulas can only be applied on values, labels, unmerged cell, none of the above. Correct option A. Formulas can only be applied on values. Question 57. A computer can be linked to the internet through a phone line modem, DSL, cable modem, all of the above. Correct option is D. A computer can be linked to the internet through a phone line modem, or DSL, or cable modem. ये तीनों तरीके इस्तेमाल किए जा सकते हैं अपने कंप्यूटर को इंटरनेट से लिंक करने के लिए. इसलिए हमारा जवाब डी वाला होगा, ऑल ऑफ दी अबव. MCQ 58. Which of the following is an email client software? Internet Explorer, Outlook, Google, none of these. Correct option is B. Question 59. Which of the following protocols is used to access web pages on the World Wide Web? TCP/IP, Gopher, HTTP, HTML. Correct option is C. HTTP is used to access web pages on the World Wide Web. Question 60. Which of the following is used to find information on World Wide Web? Web browser, website, search engine, web server. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी. हम जब भी कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन इंटरनेट पर ढूंढते हैं तो हम सर्च इंजन इस्तेमाल करते हैं. सो सी विल बी आवर करेक्ट ऑप्शन. क्वेश्चन 61. Which of the following is an internet protocol? Ethernet, ARCnet, TC/IP, MAC या MAC. Correct option is C. TC/IP is an internet protocol. Question 62. A domain name is the text version of IP address, hyperlink, hypertext, HTML. Correct option is A. A domain name is the text version of IP address. Question 63. A device that connects multiple networks using similar or different protocol is router, NIC, bridge, modem. Correct option is C. Bridge is the device that connects multiple networks using similar or different protocols. Question 64. The intersection of row and column is called intersection, cell, field, address. Correct option is B. The intersection of row and column is called cell. Question 65. A collection of related worksheets form a website, workbook, work art, spreadsheet. Correct option is B. A collection of related worksheets form a workbook. Question 66. A workbook is a group of tables, formulas, sheets, functions. Correct option is C. A workbook is a group of sheets. Question 67. The function in MS Excel is used to get the smallest value is called max, min, minimum, smallest. Correct option B. The function in MS Excel is used to get the smallest value is called min. Question 68. Header and footer option can be used from which menu? Tools, insert, edit, view. Correct option is B. Header and footer option can be used from insert menu. Question 69. Which shortcut key is used for making characters bold? टेक्स्ट को बोल्ड करने के लिए कौन सा शॉर्टकट की है? Alt plus B, Control plus B, Shift plus B, Alt plus B. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज B. हमने कंट्रोल को दबाए रखना होता है और B प्रेस करना होता है. So Control plus B is the key which we use for making characters bold. Question 70. The extension of MS Word file is .txt, .xls, .doc, .rtx. Correct option is C. The extension of MS Word file is .doc. MCQ 71. Common font size used in a business document is 10 points, 12 points, 14 points, 16 points. Correct option is B. Common font size used in a business document is 12 points. Question 72. Windows is the most popular product of Microsoft, Sun System, ANSI, Hewlett. Correct option A. Windows is the most popular product of Microsoft. Question 73. The maximum number of primary partitions that can be created on the system are 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct option is C. The maximum number of primary partitions that can be created on the system are 4. The work area on which windows, icons, menus, and dialog box appear is called screen, desktop, working area, icon. Correct option is B. The work area on which windows, icons, menus, and dialog box appear is called desktop. Question 75. The extension of executable file is .xls, .doc, .ext, .exe. Correct option D. The extension of an executable file is .exe. Question 76. Computer cannot boot if it does not have compiler, linker, interpreter, operating system. Correct option is D. Computer cannot boot if it does not have operating system. The deleted files are stored in Control Panel, Recycle Bin, My Documents, My Computer. Correct option is B. The deleted files are stored in Recycle Bin. Question 79. Small image representing program file, etc. is called menu, GUI, command, icon. Correct option is D. Small image representing program file, etc. is called icon. Question 80. Software or hardware can be removed or installed through Control Panel, Recycle Bin, My Documents, My Computer. Correct option is A. सॉफ्टवेयर हो या हार्डवेयर हो, हम उसको कंप्यूटर पर इंस्टॉल भी कर सकते हैं या अनइंस्टॉल या रिमूव भी कर सकते हैं कंट्रोल पैनल के ज़रिए, इसलिए यहाँ पर ए हमारा जवाब होगा। क्वेश्चन 81. GUI stands for General User Interface, Graphical User Icons, Graphical User Interface, Graphical Usage Interface. Correct option is C. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. The operating system based on NT technology is Windows 95, Windows 97, Windows 98, Windows 2000. Correct option is D. The operating system based on NT technology is Windows 2000. MCQ 83. The devices that are automatically detected by Windows are called automatic devices, installed devices, plug and play devices, serial devices. Correct answer is C. The devices that are automatically detected by Windows are called plug and play devices. Option 84. The object of Windows operating system used to perform system management tasks is desktop, my computer, control panel, Windows Explorer. Correct option is C. The object of Windows operating system used to perform system management tasks is control panel. Question 85. Which of the following viruses executes when starting the computer? Boot sector, logic bomb, Trojan, red loaf. Correct option A. Boot sector virus executes when starting the computer. Question 86. The right to use the software on the computer is called software privacy, software license, intellectual property right, software copyright. Correct option is D. The right to use the software on the computer is called software copyright. During transmission, the contents of the data are changed by using technique, changing, encryption, size, type. Correct option B. During transmission, the contents of the data are changed by using technique encryption. Question 88. Which of the following is no cause of virus? Email, networks, logic bomb, pirated software. Correct option C. Which of the following is no cause of virus? Logic bomb. MCQ 89. How a virus reaches from one computer to another. Data exchange between computers, exchange of display screen, exchange of keyboard, exchange of printer. Correct option A. A virus reaches from one computer to another when we exchange data between computers. Question 90. Which of the following is not an antivirus program? Node 32, Dr. Solomon, McAfee, Logic Bomb. Correct option is D. Logic Bomb is not an antivirus program. Question 91. The example of antivirus is McAfee, Trojan horse, worm, logic bomb. Correct option is A. McAfee is example of antivirus. Question 92. Which of the following is the most devastating loss to a company? किसी भी कंपनी का सबसे ज़्यादा नुकसान कब होता है? Loss of hardware, loss of data, loss of software, loss of printouts. Correct option B. Loss of data. Question 93. A virus that replicates itself is called bug, worm, vaccine, bomb. Correct option is B. A virus that replicates itself is called worm. Replicates होता है कि जो अपनी कापीज खुद बनाता जाता है. Question 94. A spare copy of data on a secondary storage device is called store, backup, reference, license. Correct option is B. A spare copy of data on a secondary storage device is called backup. Question 95. The virus which deletes MS Office files and disk partition information is called boot sector, Chernobyl, logic bomb, Trojan horse. Correct option is B. Chernobyl deletes MS Office files and disk partition information. ये वाला वायरस MS Office फाइल्स डिलीट करता है और कई दफ़ा कंप्यूटर की पार्टीशन भी डिलीट कर देता है. Chernobyl. Question 96. A right of a person to keep his personal information away from the unauthorized access is called privacy, piracy, personal issue, assets. Correct option A. Question 97. Which one of the following is not an antivirus program? Norton, McAfee, Avast, Randolph. Correct option D. Norton, McAfee और Avast ये तीनों एंटीवायरस प्रोग्राम्स हैं. Randolph is not an antivirus program. Question 98. Which of the following media cannot be used as backup? इनमें से कौन सा ऐसा मीडिया है जिस पर हम बैकअप नहीं ले सकते? हार्ड डिस्क, फ्लॉपी डिस्क, रैम, जिप डिस्क. करेक्ट ऑप्शन रैम. रैम आरजी मेमोरी के लिए होता है. यहाँ पे परमानेंट डाटा हम नहीं रख सकते. Question 99. Which of the following is harmful for computer? इनमें से कौन सी चीज़ हमारे कंप्यूटर के लिए नुकसानदेह होती है? एंटीवायरस, वायरस, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, डिवाइस ड्राइवर. करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी. वायरस जो है वो हमारे कंप्यूटर के लिए या सिस्टम के लिए नुकसानदेह साबित होता है. लिहाजा बी हमारा जवाब होगा. MCQ number 100. A program that detects the viruses is called. ऐसा प्रोग्राम जो वायरसेस को कंप्यूटर से डिटेक्ट करता है, ढूंढता है, उसको क्या कहते हैं? एंटीवायरस, वायरस, ग्रुपवेयर, शेयरवेयर. करेक्ट ऑप्शन ए. एंटीवायरस. एंटीवायरस प्रोग्राम्स हमारे कंप्यूटर्स में से, लैपटॉप्स में से वायरसेस को ढूंढते हैं या डिटेक्ट करते हैं. So our answer will be option number A. Dear students, आप इन तमाम MCQs को बड़ी अच्छी तरह याद कर लें. उम्मीद है कि इसी में से आपको MCQs आएंगे. आप में से जिन्होंने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि इस तरह के नए वीडियोस आपको फौरी तौर पर मिल सकें. बहुत शुक्रिया.